This former gang leader just had his federal sentence commuted, and now the internet's buzzing. Larry Hoover, co-founder of the Gangster Disciples, was serving 6 life sentences for running a criminal empire from prison. In May 2025, former President Donald Trump commuted his federal sentence, citing Hoover's renunciation of gang ties and support from high-profile figures who had long advocated for his release. Hoover, now 74, was originally sentenced to 150 to 200 years in 1973 for murder, and later received additional life sentences in 1997 for federal charges. Despite the commutation, he remains incarcerated due to the state sentence. His case has sparked debates on justice reform and the influence of celebrity advocacy. What do you think about this high-profile commutation? If you made it to the end, comment, Larry.